Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. If you're passionate about exploring the world in style without breaking the bank, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 tips and tricks for indulging in affordable luxury travel. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our travel hacks and destination guides. Hey there, globetrotters! Today, we're unlocking the secrets to experiencing luxury travel on a budget. From lavish accommodations to unforgettable experiences, we've got you covered. So, without further ado, let's jump into our countdown of the top 3 tips and tricks for affordable luxury travel. Number 3. Off-peak travel. Travel during off-peak seasons for crowd-free experiences and great deals. Think serene beach getaways and historic sites with fewer tourists and lower prices. The ultimate win-win. Off-peak or shoulder seasons occur due to factors like weather and school schedules. So this is your ticket to affordable luxury travel while avoiding peak prices. Hotels offer discounts on accommodations with added perks like spa treatments and private tours, all without the peak season hustle. Benefits of off-peak travel. Serene atmosphere. With fewer tourists around, you can enjoy a more peaceful and relaxed environment. You'll have a chance to truly soak in the beauty of your surroundings and create memorable moments without feeling rushed. Personalized attention. Hotels and resorts often have more time to cater to your needs during off-peak seasons. This means better service, attention to detail, and the opportunity to receive upgrades or special treats. Lower costs. Beyond accommodations, many attractions, restaurants, and transportation options also offer discounts during off-peak periods. This allows you to experience the best a destination has to offer without straining your budget. Cultural immersion. With fewer tourists, you're more likely to interact with locals and experience the authentic culture of the destination. You'll have the chance to engage in meaningful conversations and learn about the place from a different perspective. Picture the charm of Paris in fall with shorter museum lines. Imagine the exclusivity of private tropical beaches at a fraction of the cost. Explore landmarks like the Great Wall or the Colosseum, minus the crowds. Choose the right time for dream destinations and unlock a world of spectacular experiences that won't strain your wallet. Stay tuned for more tips in our countdown of affordable luxury travel. And be sure to subscribe to never miss a travel hack. Number 2. Loyalty programs. Unlocking affordable luxury has never been easier thanks to the power of loyalty programs. Sign up for airlines, hotels, and travel agencies' loyalty programs to accumulate points and enjoy exclusive perks. These programs are designed to reward you for your continued patronage, offering a range of enticing perks like free upgrades, priority services, and even complimentary stays that can elevate your travel experiences to new heights. Rack up those points and watch the luxury benefits roll in. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a hotel hopper, or an adventurous explorer, loyalty programs have something to offer every type of traveler. Benefits of loyalty programs. Points accumulation. As a member of a loyalty program, every purchase or transaction you make contributes to accumulating points. These points can later be redeemed for various benefits, including free stays, flights, or even exclusive experiences. Free upgrades. One of the most exciting aspects of loyalty programs is the possibility of scoring free upgrades, from economy to business class flights, or standard rooms to luxurious suites. Loyalty points can pave the way for a more lavish experience without the matching price tag. Priority services. Loyalty program members often receive priority treatment, such as expedited check-in, security lines, and boarding at airports and stations. This means you'll spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your trip. Complimentary stays and amenities. Many hotel loyalty programs offer complimentary stays after a certain number of nights booked, along with added amenities like spa treatments, room service, or resort credits. Exclusive access. Some loyalty programs grant you access to exclusive events, private lounges, or special tours that aren't available to regular customers. This will allow you to delve deeper into the local culture and create truly memorable experiences. These are the types of exclusive experiences that loyalty programs can unlock. Tips for maximizing loyalty programs. Research. Explore the loyalty programs offered by airlines, hotels, and travel agencies before you book. Look for those that align with your travel preferences and destinations. Stay consistent. Whenever possible, stick to a specific airline or hotel chain to maximize your points accumulation. The more you stay loyal, the more you'll benefit. Combine points. Some programs allow you to combine points from multiple sources, such as credit card rewards and partner programs for even bigger rewards. Stay informed. Keep an eye on promotions, bonus points opportunities, and limited time offers. This way, you can take advantage of opportunities to earn extra points. So, there you have it, the fantastic world of loyalty programs. By enrolling in these programs and strategically accumulating points, you're setting yourself up for unforgettable yet affordable luxury travel experiences. Remember to join the loyalty programs that resonate with your travel preferences and watch as your points turn into incredible adventures. Stay tuned as we continue our journey through the top tips and tricks for indulging in affordable luxury travel. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Number 1, flexibility is key. At the top of our list is the power of flexibility. Open-mindedness when choosing a travel destination can yield incredible experiences at a fraction of the cost. Unlike popular spots with high demand and prices, exploring less trendy destinations offers the chance for special experiences without the premium cost. Benefits of flexibility: lower costs. Choosing a destination that's off the beaten path can significantly reduce your overall travel expenses. Accommodations, dining, and activities tend to be more affordable in less trendy areas, allowing you to experience luxury on a budget. Authentic experiences. Lesser-known destinations often offer a more authentic and immersive experience. You'll have the chance to interact with locals, learn about their culture, and truly connect with the destination. Personal space. Avoiding overcrowded tourist spots means you'll have more personal space to enjoy the attractions. This can lead to a more relaxing and enjoyable experience, especially if you're seeking a luxury escape. Exclusive access. As these destinations are not as popular, you're more likely to enjoy unique experiences and opportunities that aren't available in mainstream tourist areas. Just imagine enjoying a charming village nestled in the mountains, indulging in local cuisine at a family-run restaurant, and staying in a boutique hotel that feels like a hidden oasis. Or picture yourself wandering through historic streets, admiring ancient architecture, and experiencing the vibrant culture of a lesser-known city. These are the types of experiences that await when you open yourself up to new and perhaps less popular travel destinations. Tips for embracing flexibility in your travel choices. Research widely. Look beyond top travel lists and check out travel forums, blogs, and guides that focus on offbeat destinations. You'll discover places that are rich in culture and adventure, but not as well known. Consider nearby regions. If you have a specific region in mind, explore towns or cities near other well-known destinations, as these may offer similar experiences, but at a lower cost. Check for deals. Keep an eye out for travel deals and promotions for destinations that are trying to attract more visitors. These can lead to exceptional luxury experiences at discounted rates. Plan and pack accordingly. Remember that lesser-known places may have unique customs or limited amenities. Plan accordingly to ensure a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Flexibility truly is the key to experiencing affordable luxury in your travels. By being open to exploring less trendy destinations, you open up a world of opportunities to delve into culture, relax in luxury, and create amazing memories. There you go, Wanderlusters, our top 3 tips and tricks for affordable luxury travel. From off-peak adventures to all-inclusive extravagance, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Until next time, happy travels!